Hi, welcome to your digital learning day. Today I'm going to have you looking at the final essay assignment that we will be doing this quarter, and that will be your descriptive essay. To take a look at that assignment, go ahead and go to your descriptive writing folder. In that folder, you'll see a new folder called Descriptive Essay, Dream Home. Go ahead and open that folder and you'll find an assignment that's called Final Descriptive Essay. It's the third one down. This final descriptive essay walks you through the expectations of the assignment. For this assignment, you will be describing your dream home. You will be using action verbs throughout your essay to make sure that we vividly can see your home. You will also be using 3 examples of figurative language, 1 simile, 1 metaphor, and 1 personification. The way this essay will work is that the first paragraph will focus on the outside structure of the house. So what do the windows look like? The roof, the yard, the trees, the door, the color. You can include anything outside the home, like your lawn, a garden, what's the sky look like, so that we can really see the outside of your home. The second paragraph will then focus on just the entrance of the house. If we were standing on your front porch, just about to go into your house, what would we see? Is there a door handle? Is there a door knocker? What does that door look like? Are there windows? Are there decorations like these lamps or these statues? Are there flowers? Is there a welcome mat? What does that entrance of your house look like? The third and final paragraph of your essay will describe a room of your choice. So inside that house, you need to pick one room that you're going to vividly describe. It could be the cellar, the library, the basement, your bedroom, a parlor. Maybe there's a movie theater. Maybe there's a pool. Maybe there's a workout gym. Maybe there's a greenhouse. Maybe you want an artist studio or a library. You can be as creative as you want, but choose one room and really describe it. Because this is a formal essay, you will need to make sure that it's typed in MLA format, and I'm looking to have it be about 1 page minimum. So when it all comes down to it, I want to see 1 page written. And that page does include your header and your title and your double spacing as well. The grade for this assignment, since it's a little bit smaller, is 20 points. You'll be given points on the overall effect of the assignment, of the essay. Do I really see your house when I'm done reading it? You'll be graded on your strong action verbs. Do the sentences include those? What is your fence doing? Is it encircling the house? What are your statues doing? Are they welcoming people into your home? You'll be graded on figurative language. I want to be able to see 1 simile, 1 metaphor, and 1 personification in your writing. Double check your English mechanics to be as strong as possible, and then that MLA formatting as well. An example of this essay is attached to the assignment. It's an essay that I wrote, so this is my dream home. So taking a look at my dream home, I wrote about a cottage. I would love to live in a cottage. As you read through this essay, you'll see things highlighted in yellow. Those would be my action verbs. Anything highlighted in green would be my figurative language. So this first one, a white picket fence encircles the property and hugs the cottage's freshly manicured lawn, would be my example of personification. And you'll see kind of the structure that I go through with that assignment.